Adult learning theory is a newer theory that attempts to explain how adults learn. It suggests that we have a need to know why and a need to drive our own learning process. It also suggests that adults are different from children in that they bring a problem centered approach to the learning environment, and they bring with them their unique work experiences. Children don't usually have work experiences that they can draw upon when learning new material. Finally, this theory suggests that adults are motivated both internally and externally. Years ago, it was thought that only money motivated. Today, we know that there are all kinds of internal processes that motivate people as well. The need to achieve, the need to fulfill one's potential, for example, might motivate people to learn. Adult learning theory then has several implications for training and development specialists. They should design training programs based on the learner's interests and competencies, not on the trainer's interests. They should take a more problem centered approach as opposed to a subject centered approach. This might involve more application based assignments as opposed to relying on lectures. Trainers should take advantage of trainees' past experiences. Ask them questions, ask them to share their experiences, ask them to share lessons learned, ask them to share some of the challenges they faced. Other learners can learn from trainees who share their past experiences. Trainers should also make sure that trainees have an immediate opportunity to practice. Don't wait until they return to the work environment to have them practice. Make sure they practice in the learning event.